Okay, so hello everyone. Again, my name is Jetro Celestial, a grade 12 student from the Philippines. And look who I got today.
Hi guys, it's me Nell and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Okay guys, for today's video, we will be getting some
ANAHAW.
ANAHAW here for the making of our introduction in our YT channel. So maybe this is what we call a collaboration for our introduction. Yes, this one is ANAHAW. So guys, maybe this can be called as an collaboration because we will be doing our introduction in our YT channel with the use of this natural resources that we get from this forest together with Nell Valientes. Nell Valientes has a YT channel entitled or named as Nell Vlogs. There he have a makeup tutorials and other beauty tips that can make you feel comfortable whenever you are doing your makeup sessions. So guys, stay tuned as we are about to get some materials that we will be using in our introduction.
Kasi marami po siyang so be careful kapag kumuha kayo ng ANAHAW kasi meron po
So we're here guys in our shooting place. No. Bag-o lang make-up mo. Dili na mo liwat-liwat kang kuha-kuha ug anak. Mainit jud ka na mo mga palit. Uy. Dili na jud mo liwat-liwat.
So guys, let's get started. Tayo guys sa pa-set up ng ating backdrop. So the next is retouch kami at mag-change outfit at ayun na nga, mag-shoot ng aming mga video at pictures.
For introduction sa aming YT channel.
Yes, yo!
So kung gusto niyo malaman,
Kung paano kami mag-transform,
stay tuned.
just keep on watching. So guys, ayun na po ayos na po kami ng aming mga makeup. So mag-start na po kami ng makeup. So yan. Diba? Yayamanin.
Fit me.
Introducing our materials. Fit Me Foundation.
1,500 contact lens solution from Mrs. H.
And then,
Matte lipsticks
From
M
Ever.
and Corporation.
and Morphe Cosmetic.
Morphe. Our concealer from Los Angeles Girls.
Yeah.
And yung mga Miss her.
So, mga contact lens po yan.
Yes.
So, ito po yung looks ng aming setup. Diba? Kabog. Sino ko dyan?
Mabuhat na jud ko. Basta dili na jud ko kamuaan mag English kag mabuhat. Mabuhat ko. Heavy.
Without you, I'm lost without you. I'm lost without you.
Hi guys! So sa wakas tapos na po kami mag-shoot ng pictures at mag-film ng video. Sa wakas natapos din.
Again, that's it. We already shooted videos and pictures. It will be edited as our introduction sa amon YT channel nga duwa. And for those of you who have watched from the very first or from the very beginning up to now, thank you so much for joining with us, guys. And we hope you enjoyed also watching. Have you enjoyed our introduction, our background, the designs, the outfit that we made, the outfit that we have wore during the shooting of the video? If you like it, just comment down below. We'll see your reactions. Comment down below.
So guys, worth it talaga yung mga nakuha naming mga
ANAHAW!
So thank you ANAHAW dahil nabigyan mo kami ng magandang background. At bongga yung mga kuha naming pictures. So makikita nyo. So ilalagay po namin sa Facebook. So kung hindi po tayo friends sa Facebook, just send our friend request for Nell Valientes FB account and Jetro A Celestial FB account. So if you want to see the beautiful or final looks of our pictures, just visit in our Facebook account. Thank you.
And also guys, I will be posting my pictures that was taken when we are in the middle or during our shooting and our introduction video. I'll be posting it on my IG account. Just follow me, GE_THROE or G/throw, Jetro. And even Neil's pictures, I will be posting it on my IG, and I'll be just tagging him if he has an IG account. So that's it. Please, again, subscribe
And click the notification bell.
so that you will get notified whenever we will be posting a new video. Yeah! So this is Jetro Celestial from Jetro Talks,
And Nell from New Vlog.
saying thank you for watching. Bye
Bye guys. See you for our new video.